Look, I don't have a lot of time. 2012 did happen. I can't believe it's actually happened. The day is... I don't know. Days are merging into weeks and I think I'm losing it. I'm recording this for my future self. Well, me, I guess. But I won't remember this. It's hard to explain. You're in a research facility in Mansfield. Firstly, I guess I should explain why I'm doing this. Take a look outside. We caused this, all of it. We're both to blame. This is me explaining to everyone. We did this, and I'm sorry. Everyone's gone. Your friends, your family. Alice is gone. They're all gone. I can't live with this guilt anymore. It's just too much. I can't handle it. This is in case I finally decide to end it. I've hired one thing, and they're coming, is all I can say. They're coming for us, me, and I'm here to warn you. I've left you supplies in a bag in the corner. You should be able to see it. Read the instructions inside of the bag. They should tell you what to do with all the stuff I've left you. Crap, I'm running out of time. I'm sorry, but the camera. Follow the instructions and you should be fine. Good luck.